Okay, go again.
No?
Yeah.
This is the bird noise. Starring right here. Me. Burping.
Okay.
And it's also
I know. Put one right about here.
Get down, get down.
That's different. Okay, take it out. Okay. Watch your spot.
Don't get to read
Closed.
That's not me, Grandma.
Mike.
Shh, we're filming.
Where my door is. My living door. On that ledge. In the box.
Mike, this isn't funny, dude. You gotta run around and shoot and stuff. I'll follow you wherever you go. Just run. Act like you're in battle.
Lord. You guys?
Run around.
I need Grumpy, but you better not drop him.
I think Mike
Run around.
Grumpy burping.
What's he doing?
Nothing, he's just fake burping.
How can you fake that?
You know, I'd like to know. Keep going.
Dropships are coming.
There you go, Grandma.
Thank you. And I'm going to need one of those buckets of dirt opened.
Alright. You mean packets or bags?
Whatever they are.
Yeah. I don't know how he does this.
Get the rope.
Hurry! They're coming, the bad guys are. The ground's shaking, you gotta act like it's shaking. Okay, there's... never mind. This is your movie, not mine. Mikey, just stop. Is it the end?
No.
And that, my friends, is a sad story of...
Did you get it?
What's your name?
Mike.
Mike. Or whatever. Goodbye.